Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to make Philippines food. I will make Bicol Express, which I really like. This is my first time, so I hope it will be perfect. But I'm planning to use Korean seasoning. Let's get started to make Bicol Express. Anchovy fish sauce, beef powder, salted shrimp, coconut milk, red chili, pork belly, garlic, onion, green chili, spring onion. First, cut the meat into bite-sized pieces. Add oil in small amount. Add onion. Fry the onion well. Add garlic. Cook it well together. When it becomes medium brown, then add the pork belly. Fry the pork belly until it becomes golden brown. 5 minutes over medium heat. When it turns golden brown, mix it with the onion and garlic. Once you get the color you're looking for in the pork belly, add the black pepper 0.5 tea. Add beef powder 1 tea. Add salted shrimp 0.5 tea. Be careful when you add salted shrimp. Mix 1 minute over medium heat. Add red chili. I use 10 pieces red chili. Stir fry it for 1 minute over medium heat. Add half the coconut milk. Mix it well and wait for the coconut milk to cook in 3-minute medium heat. Add hot water 50 milliliters to the remaining coconut milk. Then the last coconut milk. Mix well. Add anchovy fish sauce 1 tea. Add spring onion after 2 minutes. This is an optional. Add green chili. I used 8 pieces of green chili. Lastly, mix over medium heat for 2 minutes. Just dry it and wait for the coconut milk to release its own oil. It is now cooked and ready to serve. Let's enjoy the food! The soup is tuay chikukbab.